trades on the day for Monday, November the 6th, 2023, our first full week in November. We are minus $300 on the day on a 250K account. We had two trades, one in silver, right around break even, and then one in Cobra III E-mini S&P. You can see the Cobra 3 trades here on S&P Portfolio 21. We're trying to phase into this and start with some strategies at a loss, such as Cobra 3, and then work our way into this. And these strategies were down 625 today, each of the Cobra 3s. And the portfolio as a whole, S&P Portfolio 21, was down about 325, so we were about in sync with the S&P Portfolio 21 today. The trade of the day was tick count trend. This is the kind of market environment we're in, and you know, 4 small trades like this on tick count trend ended up being the trade on the day. So after a big move in the markets last week, you see the Nasdaq here, big move. There's no immediate reversal or immediate continuation. Some consolidation today, and the VIX dropped. We'll see what happens, but initially the range was very early. Even the pullback was slow and narrow, and then a slow and narrow rally. And so just a very consolidated market. Overall, to me, this is bullish, but anything could change any time. The market could come back down here. Fundamentals should tell me this, but liquidity and seasonality tell me this. And so we're ready to trade it either way. And you know, it could go sideways and it could rally tomorrow, or it could go sideways Monday and Tuesday and rally on Wednesday. At some point it could go sideways, and at some point this week or next week it could rally again. So markets can go up and then pull back. You never know how far or how long they're going to pull back, and if you know it turns into a complete reversal sometimes. And so very tricky when you're a short-term trader. So we're sticking with our strategies, and let's go over some more trades. So you see the shorts without profit targets are still difficult to make, and it's been probably one of the longest times I've seen in the market where shorts have such a tough time, even in a downtrend. Day trade shorts in a downtrend should do a little better every now and then, but this market is so choppy and curls up most of the time. And so that's the market environment we're in, and we are managing risk as we try to sync up with one of these portfolios and sync up with the market. Here is the dashboard for the portfolio money management algorithms and what we use for the signal strength trader. There were no trades today in the signal strength trader, and the market had 4 days in a row of gap ups. 5 out of the last 6 days were gap ups, and so you get these gap ups, but then the day session, you know, is not a lot of opportunity. If you get that turning point, you know, you can get the rally into the close. It's still a relatively small move. I mean, you could get this short and get that long if you can call it just right. But or you could, you know, put some bands right here and trade this very narrow range, which is hard to do. In hindsight, it looks easy, but in real time, it's not that easy. And so, you know, like I said, 4 days in a row of gap ups. You got gap up here, gap up here, gap up here. This market's just getting giddy and euphoric about this time of year. All of a sudden, it just decides it's going to go into bull mode from out of nowhere. And, you know, we have to trade what is instead of what we think it should do. So we still have this signal strength trader on, and welcome. My ideal scenario is to start going long on a gap down for another rally. So since the shorts have been so difficult, and you can see this stock index portfolio 31 was 34, the old one that we're still tracking, minus 1680 today. And here is the market internals. Interesting to note the advanced decline line. It was very strong on Thursday and Friday up at the 2000 level. Today it opened just above zero, and it went down here to this 1200 level, but the market did not sell off. It stayed higher, even though the market internals showed a bit of a reversal. It seems like there should be more of a pullback when this happens, but sometimes it doesn't, and it's typically a sign of a very strong market. And so we're looking forward to trading this trend, whatever happens next. These are the trades on the day for Monday, November 6, 2020.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.